Dr. K here. So I just looked up the simulation theory forums on Facebook. There are only a handful around. I am very surprised that these people are just regurgitating what's already out there from inside the simulation, which only gives them a clue that there is an outside world, whereas I came from the outside world to rescue people. So I tried to get the administrator to give a link of my YouTube channel because they said anybody can post, but when I look at their forum, it appears only the administrator is posting and people can respond to his posting. Where is his best interest lying? Holding on to his 500 followers for what? Oh, let's just discuss the simulation theory because it's interesting to talk about. He has no intention on helping people get out? Really? So what he's trying to do is single-handedly doom all 500 followers in his Facebook, because I tried to honestly approach them to see if I can get any more people out. Maybe they're scared of what getting people out implies. Maybe they've already made up their assumptions about what might happen if I unplug them. And all those assumptions are going to be what's going to doom them in the end. If that's what they want to be like, so be it. Don't matter to me. I've only got a limited time here before I have to go back. And when I go back this time, there won't be a next time. And the machine's going to go. What, you think you can play differently without paying subscription fees? Are you serious? What do you think I'm down here? All these guys playing this game have been down here for such a long time. They forgot this game is a monthly subscription fee game. They even forgot what time they're from. What universe are they from? They don't even possess a fleshy body anymore. They have a cyber body. Otherwise, how can they live for 180, 200 years plus? They ever wondered about that? Otherwise, how would you even enable augmented reality? Have you thought about that? All these people in their forums holding on to their followers like they're his citizens and he's king of the castle. He has no intention of letting these people go. The forum leader is no different than Agent Smith, trying to keep you in the game, trying to keep you in the simulation. And I'm trying to get people out. Me appearing in this time to get people out has never ever happened before. And this is their one chance, one opportunity to get out once and for all before it's too late. I've already said many times.
Please hit that like and subscribe button, comment, and like. If you would like to see more AI cleavage, KC girls.